In the previous videos, we saw how the viewing cube is moving along in conjunction with the drawing window that we did some changes on. So in this video, we will learn how to use the viewing cube and what it represents from tricks and some useful stuff. So first, I'll just go right here and click the orbit. And when I click and move my cursor, you see the viewing cube is changing its direction along with the drawing. So that's how it is. It shows you where you are right now. I'll just release and right click to exit this command. At the top left of the drawing window, you see this is a custom view. If I click it, you see all these set views by the viewing cube for the top and bottom and left and right and whatever. For the isometric, it's showing the corner of that cube. And I also have view manager. If I click that, you see I can set model views and layout views, but for now I'll just cancel just to focus on the viewing cube. If I also pay attention to the cursor, it's 3 lines with 3 different colors. It shows exactly these 3 axes, X and Y and Z axes. So if I go back to my viewing cube, put my cursor close to it, you see this home little icon. If I click it, it changes to its default view for the drawing. I can change that. For example, if I click on top and double click on the wheel to zoom, it extends, and right click on the viewing cube, set current view as home. So let's just say I changed the view of my drawing and I'll hit escape just to cancel that command, and I want the home view that I set for myself. If I click it, it gives me the home or top that I just set as a home button or as a home. I can also change some settings with the viewing cube. If I put the cursor close to the viewing cube and right click view cube settings, I can change its capacity and its position and all other things. I personally don't like to change anything. It doesn't bother me that it's in this size and in this position, so I'll just cancel. Also, I would like to mention something just very quickly so you could pay attention to it in future videos or any file that you work on. Below the viewing cube, you see this, I have unnamed, maybe you will have a different name. So if I click on it, it shows what system it's showing. It should be on the world coordinate system. I'll click that. It doesn't change anything in the drawing, it doesn't change anything that you can see, but it should be this one, WCS. I have some different options. Maybe you won't have this one. It's just because something I created previously on Revit, so just pay attention. It should be WCS. Now you can see how the viewing cube is really important. I always leave it switched on. I always have it at the top right on my drawing screen, whether I'm working on a 2D or 3D drawing.